Hello, hello, Cancer Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayong lahat? And welcome po sa James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for May 5 hanggang May 11. Tulad po nakagawian ha, kunin nyo lang po yung mga ka-resonate kayo and leave the rest. Yung pong ibang impormasyon ay para po sa ibang cancers yun. Kaya po, talasan nyo ang inyong intuition para makuha nyo po yung akmang messages na kaloob po sa inyo ng yung spirit guide sa ating reading for today. Thank you po again for all of your donations at saka po sa mga hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Thank you po for your generosity and kindness po dito sa ating channel. So Cancer, ano naghihintay sa inyo ngayong May 5 to May 11? Inhale and exhale. At the center of your reading, you have the Eight of Pentacles. In the area of what you want, you have the Strength card. In the area of what you need, you have the Four of Pentacles. In the area of what's affecting your current energy, meron kang Page of Cups. In the area of your near future, meron kang Knight of Swords. In the area of your challenge, meron kang Death card. Ooh, transformation. In the area of your fortune, meron kang, wow, Victory card, Six of Wands. In the area of your challenge, meron kang in the area of your divine advice, you have the 10 of Cups. And your outcome this week, Cancer, you have the Ace of Pentacles. Wow! Kaching-kaching ito. Congratulations. At the bottom of your deck, you have the Knight of Pentacles. So this time, Cancer, sinasabihan ka ng spirit guides mo to take action about something. May mga bagay ka siguro na pinag-iisipan pa this time. Siguro kung may mga bagay ka na hindi sigurado o pinag-iisipan pa kung tama bang gawin, tama bang yun ang dapat na aksyon, o kaya pinag-iisipan mo kung enough na ba yung knowledge mo bago mo siya subukan. So this time around, ang naramdaman ko talaga sa bottom of your deck is the right action na magagaling sa'yo. Parang this time around, parang sobra na daw, okay na yung pag-prepare. There are things in your life na parang you're asking, kailan ba ako ready? Kailan ko ba ito gagawin? Siguro simulan ko na, paghanda na ako, pero your spirit guides are telling you the right time is now to take action on this, and enough na daw yung enough preparation for you, and kailangan talagang action. Sometimes daw, kailangan mo minsan din na sa bawat action doon ka rin matututo at doon mo nalaman kung ano yung mga next right step. So make sure this time around na may paggalaw sa mga bagay na pinaplano at hindi siya nananatili lang sa vision board o kaya sa imagination o kaya sa papel. Dapat daw ay ginagawa into your reality. Okay, Cancer? Start na tayo sa iyong reading. At the center, you have the Eight of Pentacles. Sinasabi dito na this time around, work on things. Siguro ito sa trabaho mo, sa pamilya, may mga bagay kailangang ayusin, kailangang trabahuhin, kailangang puliduhin. Especially here with the Knight of Pentacles, nakita ko dito na parang you've been planning everything siguro more than a month ago, o talaga meron ka ng tinutumbok na gusto mong gawin, pero this time around nag-aalangan ka kung kailan mo siya actionan. But your spirit guides are telling you kailangan talaga action at pagkilos because you have the enough skills, especially here with the Eight of Pentacles. Siya yung uri ng tao na nag-level up na yung kanyang skills, talent, and experience. And now, ginugugol mo na yung oras mo sa pagpapayabong ng bagay na yan. So make sure this time that you trust yourself. Enough na yung yung earnings mo, not earnings, learnings mo. Enough na yung learnings mo and experience in the past for you to pursue this. Baka mamaya biglang mawala o malipasan ka na ng opportunity because you're so much worrying kung ready ka na ba o kung enough na ba yung alam mo, enough na ba yung skill set mo. But this time around talagang sabi ng spirit guide, skills na gawa na because everything is working out for you. You have the skills, you deserve to do this and you deserve to accomplish this, okay? The Eight of Pentacles being clarified by the Six of Wands. Yes, like I've said, sabi ko sa iyo kanina, 2 beses na babasa, 6 is all about reflection. Sometimes, tignan mo din parang, okay naman na siguro pala, I think I'm ready. Takot lang akong simulan o kaya may hinihintay ka lang na someone to tell you na parang may assurance sa'yo na okay, lahat ang gagawin mo magiging okay din sa'yo to, kaya huwag ka na mag-alala. Especially here, sinabi ko kanina, everything will work out in your favor, and ito na yung sagot, ito yung confirmation. You have the Six of Wands. Six of Wands is a card of victory, card of rejoice, pagbibigay sa'yo ng kaukulang reward and appreciation sa ginawa mo. So this time around, this is also your sign, Cancer, na kung ano yung pinagpaplanuhan mo, ay ito na yung katuparan niya. And you have to start this now because may victory naghihintay sa'yo. Congratulations. In the area of what you want, you have the Strength card. Now is the time for you. Alam mo na kailangan mong tatagan ng sarili mo. Meron ka sigurong inaasikaso, probably papers or something about your future. Kaya alam mo sa sarili mo na kailangan mo maging strong, kailangan mo maging brave this time. And also, parang wag mo din madaliin yung proseso. That's what I'm hearing. Kasi siguro parang ang bagal-bagal ng proseso for you o ang bagal-bagal ng paghakbang mo because sinisiguro mo na tamang hakbang mo. Probably may mga pinagdaanan ka na in the past na talagang nagkamali ka o walang pinatunguhan yung endeavor o yung ginawa mo, kaya this time around parang naniniguro ka. Kaya parang itong strength na to is all about gentle approach. Gentle approach in a sense na parang hinahayaan mo lang na dahan-dahanin mo because you know na ang magiging resulta nito ay pabor sa'yo. Kaya ayaw mo madaliin. Ayaw mo siyang i-rush because alam mo na kapag minadali mo, baka kung anong mangyari at masayang lang din tulad before. So now, may slow energy coming from you that in order for you to get something, alam mo na hindi kailangan madaliin. Pero dapat, na-action ka din. Not just all about planning. Minsan, ang necessary step is to really take an action. Okay? The strength card is being clarified by the Queen of Cups. Yes. At talagang tungkol ito sa'yo. Pag hindi mo gusto o hindi bukal sa loob mo, kapag talaga hindi ka pa ready, hindi mo gagawin. That's what I'm really, really feeling here. Parang pinapakiramdaman mo muna yung sarili mo kung handa ka na. Kaya siguro sabi ko sa'yo dito kanina, that minsan hindi ka kikilos hanggat hindi ka pa ready o feeling mo there's a right time for doing it. Na parang you're also the type of person na very sentimental and would really ask for the divine time kung kailan, paano, saan, kaya naghihintay ka siguro na sign. Pero buong puso mo nilalaan mo dito, I'm seeing you, kung hindi ito magdudulot sa iyo ng peace and clarity, parang ayaw mo simulan, ayaw mo gawin. Kaya ikaw, inuunti-unti mo, you want things to be very, very clear muna bago ka mag-level up sa isang step o bago ka tumuloy sa isa pang step. So, ganun ka ngayon parang you're treading this journey carefully, So, in the area of what you need, ito daw kailangan mo, sabi sa yung spirit guides, kailangan mo daw mag-let go, Cancer. This is a very, very important message for you from your spirit guides. Kailangan mo daw mag-let go sa mga past mong experiences o sa mga bagay this time talagang alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi mo na kailangan pang hawakan. Halimbawa, mga past experiences na sobrang painful ang experience sa'yo, kaya siguro hirap na hirap kang umabante this time because inaalala mo yun, para nakaka-apekto sa'yo na baka maulit-ulit o baka gano'n na naman ang kalalabasan, whether sa love life din yan o sa endeavors mo in life o sa career. But this time around, sinasabi sa spirit guides mo, this is a very clear message for your Cancer na i-let go mo na daw yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi na para sa'yo o hindi na makaka-apekto sa life mo this time. You're just holding on to the experience and also parang yun na lang yung tulay mo kasi sa nakaraan Yun na lang yung parang natitirang bridge mo sa mga nakaraang experiences at natatakot ka na pag naputol yon, wala ka ng connection to those things. You should really understand na kapag nag-let go ka dyan, mas bibilis ang takbo nito. Itong plano at action. Kung ano man po itong iniisip mo at pinagkaplanuhan mo this time na malaking endeavor in your life. Hindi ito aandar hanggat hindi mo binibitawan yung dapat bitawan, Cancer. Okay? Very, very important yan. The Four of Pentacles being clarified by the Empress card. Yes, let go so that things that you're working on will be fruitful this time. So sorry. Sabi sa'yo ng spirit guides mo, itong binubuo mo, ano pa ba binubuo nyo this time? Trabaho, passion project, negosyo, papers, nag-apply ka ba for a certain job? Meron ka ngayong binubuo, pinagpapaguran, pinaghihirapan, talagang pinaglalaanan mo ng oras, pagod, atensyon at pera. Itong binubuo mo na ito, hindi ito mabubuo totally. O madedelay siya, o kaya hihinto siya, o kaya maliligaw ka ng direction, hindi ka magkakaroon ng focus because you're keeping holding on to this thing. Itong bagay na to, tao na to, o lugar na to, o sitwasyon na ito, pinangahawakan mo pa rin. Para ito'y patuloy na lumago at umabante at talagang maipanganak na ni Empress, kailangan daw i-let go mo na yung bagay in the past. Pwedeng lover yan na pumipigil sa'yo na gawin yung trabaho abroad o gawin yung pangarap mo, may pumipigil sa'yo at inaalala mo yung tao na yun. Ngayon parang kailangan mo i-realize na hindi siya nakakabuti sa'yo moving forward. So, in your journey from now up to the future, meron ka mga tao o sitwasyon na kailangan mong i-let go doon because hindi na sila parte ng bagong chapter na life mo moving forward. Mahirap itong gawin, I completely understand, mahirap gawin yan kung halimbawa talagang nagkikling ka pa sa mga taong yan o sitwasyon na yan, but in order for you to see the bright future, kailangan talagang i-let go. Okay, Cancer? Very, very profound yung area of what you need. Kaya kailangan mo siyang gawin this time para umandar na ang lahat, okay? In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Page of Cups. Now you're thinking too much. You're thinking, evaluating, crafting, iniisip mo mabuti, ano kaya ang pwede kong gawin? Ano kaya ang mga strategy na pwede kong solusyonan? Ano kaya yung atake na pwede kong buuin so that itong pinaghihirapan kong work ay masiguro ko ang victory for me. And this time, wala ng aberya. This time, wala ng delay. This time, wala ng pahinto-hinto. At wala na akong aaskasuhin pang ibang bagay. Parang gusto mong matumbok this time. Itong result, magandang result, na matagal mo nang binubuo, especially here with the Empress card. So, this time around, you're being called and being encouraged to create out-of-the-box ideas. Whether being creative na parang hindi mo pa nagawa before, I'm hearing your old ways or your old strategy will not work this time. Kailangan daw bagong atake, bagong strategy, bagong approach. Kung halimbawa ito ay office papers, kung yung dating pinapasa mo ay hindi nagugustuhan lagi ni boss, baka this time around kailangan mo ng palitan kung paano mo siya sinusulat, kung paano yung pagkakalatag ng templates, kung paano mo siya in-approach yung bawat paragraphs, ganyan. So ngayon, parang kailangan mo ng bagong bihis, bagong paraan kung paano mo ma-accomplish yung mga bagay na gusto mo. And it takes your creative process. Kailangan mo itong pag-isipang mabuti. Brainstorm, ask people, especially the experts around you that you truly trust. Pwede mo silang pagkatiwalaan at pwede mo silang hingan ng payo para lalong makadagdag doon sa creativity at imagination na kailangan mo this time sa pagbuo ng bagay na ito. Okay? The Page of Cups being clarified by the Eight of Wands. Yes, focus ka daw dyan. Sabi sa'yo ng Spirit Guides, mag-focus ka dyan. This is something beautiful, something new. It will go in your favor, especially with the Eight of Wands. Deliverer ito ng good news, si Eight of Wands. So, sinasabi dito, kailangan ng quick approach mo dito. I don't know why, pero parang ang cards mo, initially, telling you to work now. Do it now. Hindi naman importante na matapos mo siya agad, pero importante na simulan mo na. May mga bagay daw kasi na, I don't know why, pero sa'yo kasi parang may mga bagay na parang your spirit guides are telling you the opportunity and the frequency of you getting what you want ay ngayon na magsisimula. So, kailangan ikaw din sumasabay ka sa frequency na yun. What your higher power wants for you to do, dapat ginagawa mo rin para sabay kayo. Para talagang plakadong-plakado makuha mo yung gusto nilang marating mo at makuha mo. Okay? So, be at peace that your direction now is your right path. Nasa tamang direction ka naman. Pero, kailangan mo talaga ng focus kasi there will be a moment or there will be minsan, may mga pagkakataon na maaaring malihis ka ng landas. Maybe because, halimbawa, mapagod ka o madistract ka, mabuisit ka, mainis ka kung bakit hindi mo pa nagagawa, ma-frustrate ka kasi hindi mo pa nakukuha yung outcome because you have the Knight of Pentacles here. Talagang kailangan mabusisi pagkilos, paggawa. Kaya kailangan mo talaga ng creativity and knowledge that you are on the right path, okay? In the near future, ito yung maganda, you have the Knight of Swords. Sinasabi sa'yo ng Spirit Guides, merong quick information coming to you in the near future. Pwedeng a job offer o kaya pagtaas ng sweldo mo. Something beautiful, something new. I'm seeing here na talaga mabilis itong darating. You have to grab this. You have to accept this. Like I said kanina, merong element of time. May element of time yung iyong reading. Meaning, may mga bagay na kailangan mo i-grab agad, may mga bagay na kailangan mong aksyonan agad, at may mga bagay na kailangan dahan-dahan ang approach. You know what I mean? This is very time-oriented reading for your Cancer. I don't know why may area sa life mo na kailangan, dahan-dahan lang, relax lang, pagplanuhan, pero kailangan aksyonan na ngayon, kailangan na simulan na ngayon. Pero may mga area na life mo na kailangan gentle lang approach. Isipin mo yung sarili mo, isipin mo yung family mo, isipin mo yung gagawin mo. Dapat walang kaligtaan. Kailangan bawat details ay naasikaso mo. And then here in the near future, meron ka namang blessing na darating. A information, something about an opportunity para sa'yo in the near future. And sinasabi ng Spirit Guides mo na kailangan i-grab mo agad. Kailangan hindi mo palagpasin kasi baka mamaya malingat ka, mapunta yung blessing sa iba. So, very time constraint. At saka talagang may active participation na kinakailangan from you, Cancer, from your Spirit Guides na, Cancer, kailangan active ka, kailangan alert ka sa mga bagay na nangyari sa life mo. You have to grab, you have to let go, you have to work on things, know that you're on the right path, kaya go, so good. So, ang dami mga active participation coming from you. And this is something very exciting. And may kita ko sa dulo, especially here with the Ace of Pentacles, na talagang sulit ang lahat ng ito. Kaya parang kailangan mo na pakiramdaman ng iyong frequency, ang iyong intuition para alam mo kung kailan tamang kumilos at kailan hindi, kailan dapat mag-focus, kailan dapat maghinay-hinay, alam mo yun? So this is a really, really interesting reading for you, Cancer. So the Knight of Swords being clarified by the Two of Cups. Wow! This good news probably is all about your negotiations, contracts. Kung kayo po ay naghahanap ng trabaho, ganyan, ngayon, know that in the near future, malapit lang ito, you will get an information, a call, a text, a chat, or someone will come to you and say, "Uy, Cancer, pasok ka na." Because Two of Cups all about agreement. Parang kayo ay merong negotiation and talagang napa-oo mo siya o nakuha mo yung receiving end na talagang pabor sa'yo. Ano? So, this is all about contract, securing that job application, securing that papers. Ano? So, parang ito ay confirmation. Kung naghahanap po kayo ng confirmation and sign from your spirit guides, ito na. Paparating yung oo at saka kumpirmasyon na yes sa'yo ang trabahong yan. Congratulations. In the area of your challenge this week, Cancer, ito naman this week, ito naman ang kailangan mo paghandaan at kailangan mo lagpasan is a death card. Death card is not bad actually. This is like a card of transformation, pagbabagong buhay. Hindi lang sa literal na buhay mo, pwedeng lumipat ka ng bahay, transformation din yon. Pero minsan transformation of the mind. Parang yung old ways talaga, especially here with the Page of Cups. Yung parang mga dati mong nakasanayan, hindi na inuubra. Hindi na siya mag-a-apply this time. Kailangan mo nang baguhin. Kailangan mo mag-level up, mag-freshen up, keep up the approach kasi parang makaluma yung parang atake mo eh. So this time around with a transformation card, talagang re-require ka ng yung spirit guides na brainstorm. Mag-brainstorm ka ng mga bagong atake, bagong ways on how to do things because everything in the past worked in the past. Now, your new timeline requires you to have a new approach. Okay? Kaya huwag mong pangilagan at huwag ka rin mabwisit kapag halimbawa kinakailangan mo talaga mag-isip ng mabuti because now kailangan mo ipakita kung gaano ka versatile, Cancer, and how creative you are. Okay? The death card is being clarified by the Tower card. Yes, death na tower pa. So this is like a transformation that is required for you. Ito ay hindi mo mapipigilan, hindi mo ito makokontrol. Ito ay divinely orchestrated. Ito ay nakatadhana. So this change, the Tower, is darating sa iyo now na to. Mabilis itong darating. Ito ay quick lang and the timeline is now. Yun yung timeline ni Tower eh. Ngayon itong pagbabago na ito, daanan mo, accept it, embrace it, daanan mo lang siya, huwag mong pangilagan. Don't be afraid of changes kasi kadalasan, change will lead you to what? Brand new beginning, brand new start, brand new approach, brand new life, a brand new chance for you to make it big. Diba, Cancer? So, huwag mong pangingilagan ang mga changes sa life mo. Just embrace it. Embrace it. And know that God will be there for you. Your spirit guides and angel guides are protecting you. Kaya wala kang dapat ikabahala, okay? Daanan mo lang siya. And everything will be alright, okay? In the area of your fortune, you have the Six of Wands. Fortune na siya. Six of Wands pa. Victory. What you are accomplishing right now in your life. Kung ano man po yung ginagawa mo ngayon, whether maliit na bagay yan, maliit na project, maliit na problema, maliit na inaasikaso, o napakalaking creative project, o napakalaking inaasikaso mo this time, know that you have the victory here. You will be approached, you will be recognized sa trabaho, pwedeng may incentive, may leveling up sa trabaho, you will be granted some incentives of taas aumento sa sahod, o di kaya you will get or you will land to a better job na matagal mo nang gustong pinapangarap. I'm seeing talaga bunga din ito ng matagal mong pagpe-prepare. Okay? Ito ay bunga ng matagal mong pagkatsaga sa isang bagay na ayaw mo magkamali kaya dinadahan-dahan mo. I'm seeing victory here. Congratulations para sa iyo, Cancer. The victory card is being clarified by the Five of Wands. Yes, winning a competition, winning a battle, winning a creative dispute, winning a conflict. I'm seeing na parang this time around mapapatunayan mo na, oh, tama pala si Cancer. Sabi sa inyo, tama ako eh. Tama yung approach ko, tama yung plano ko, tama yung ginawa ko, tama yung pinaglaban ko. So you are now rejoicing and everybody's congratulating you dahil naging matibay ka, naging matatag ka, hindi ka huminto, hindi ka tumigal, and you will get the victory and winning this thing this time, Cancer. Congratulations. Nasa area pa siya ng fortune. At ang ganda ng tandem niya, 5 and 6, winning a conflict, winning a competition, and you're gonna celebrate it with the people that truly, truly admire you, okay? In the area of your divine advice, meron kang 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups is all about happily ever after card. Sinasabi dito, and I'm really feeling the message here, Cancer, na in the approach of your job, sa parang pag-abot mo sa mga pangarap mo, pera, kwarta, and career, sinasabi ng spirit guides mo na masaya ka ba? Kontento ka ba? Happy ka ba? Are you having a time with your family? Nakausap mo pa ba sila? Harmonious ba ang relationship mo sa family mo? Do you have enough quality time with them? This time around, paalala ng spirit guides, make time with your family, especially kung may mga anak na po kayo. Go with them, have some quality time. Lumabas kayo paminsan-minsan kahit na hectic ang schedule mo. Find time to be with them. Be open with them. Enjoy your moments with them. Sa pag-abot natin sa mga pangarap natin, dapat daw nabibigyan din natin ng oras at panahon ng ating mga mahal sa buhay and continue being their inspiration at garon din sila sa'yo. Okay? And I'm seeing here na na nakikita naman daw nila yung iyong effort, yung iyong sacrifices. Is just that minsan kailangan talaga ng bonding, kailangan ng sama-sama kayo. Okay, Cancer? The 10 of Cups being clarified by the 7 of Wands. Yes, you have defended yourself, you have proven yourself, your worth in the family. Parang sabi ni Spirit Guides, okay na-prove mo na yung sarili mo. Now is the right time for you to really relax and enjoy naman their company. Parang ngayon kailangan may peace of mind ka daw that everything you're doing is working for you and your family. Wala lang yung parang kailangan may patunayan ako. I'm hearing that. Parang ngayon, paalala sa'yo ng Spirit Guides mo, dapat lagi nang gagaling sa puso yung approach mo o yung dreams mo, hindi lang para may patunayan sa kanila. Kasi kapag napatunayan mo na, ano next? Ano na yung next? So parang wala na, tapos na yung goal, tapos na yung motivation. So kailangan ang isipin mo daw, dapat nag-uugat sa happiness at hindi lang para may patunayan, okay? I'm hearing that that happiness will expand. That happiness will lead to more peaceful relationship with your family, more quality time with your family, and pareho mo panghahawakan yung trabaho, pangarap, and family, and you will be very, very happy there. Okay, Cancer? This time around, be the family person that you are and enjoy what you have, okay? Ang yung outcome na napakaganda, pag-usapan natin later. But first, let's have additional messages from the Divine. Ito ang yung angel message. Basahin natin. You have 12-12. Importante po ba sa inyo ang numbers na ito? There's a confirmation on this messages for you. Basahin natin. Stay focused on your best possible future and remain optimistic throughout the entire journey. Your angels are right behind you as you turn your dreams into reality. Congratulations, Cancer. I am focused. Like I've said here, dapat focus ka lang sa gusto mo and have that creative ideas and out of the box imagination para talagang matumbok mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo. That here, confirm na yung angel that you need to be focused on your endeavor, okay? Ito pang area na kailangan pag-focus on this whole week, Cancer. You have the death card. Ooh, death here, 2 beses. I am learning that endings are merely beginnings. Oh, ano ba sabi ko kanina? Dalawa pa ito, pareho tong endings, pareho tong new beginnings. The death card and the tower card. Meaning, may bago-bago this time. Let it fall, let it let it end so that makapagsimula ka ulit ang bago, mas better, mas malaki, mas matatag at mas maganda. So wag mong panghilagan ang pagbabago because ang pagbabago ang kailangan mo this time so that your life will change for the better, okay? Wag matakot, just relax. Especially here in your outcome, ba't mo matatakot? Meron kang victory, meron kang panalo, meron kang Knight of Swords, meron kang 2 of Cups, and victory pa dito. So, you don't have to really feel any alarm or any stress this time because there will be a Ace of Pentacles. May kapirahan ka at the end of the week. Medyo may darating sa'yo offering you a job, offering you a sideline. Baka this time around, meron ka ng aha moment na parang, okay, what if magnegosyo ako ng ganito? And you will get immediately a capital for this. God is giving you, handing over you a blessing na talagang kaloob niya sa'yo. Ito ay divinely orchestrated. Ito ay para talaga sa'yo to. This is like a bunga ng pinaghirapan. I'm seeing you getting a monetary, pwedeng may magbabayad sa'yo ng utang o may magpapautang sa'yo para makapagsimula ka na sa endeavor mo, o kaya ito ay pera o kaya incentive for something that you really worked hard for in the past. So congratulations, meron kang pera nga asahan this week. Congratulations, Cancer. The Ace of Pentacles being clarified by the 5 of Cups. Okay. This blessing, itong opportunity na to darating sa life mo this week will give you the guarantee na okay, kailangan ko na palang talikuran yung nakaraan. Kailangan ko na palang lagpasan yung mga nangyari before. I am now ready. Handa ka na, parang puputulin. Like said here, with the 4 of Pentacles, parang kailangan mo nang i-let go yung past. Ngayon, may confirmation ka na. May darating daw sa life mo na magbibigay sa'yo na parang, okay, oo nga, kailangan ko na mag-let go. Kailangan ko nang iwan because you are now ready to shift your perspective doon sa future at makita mo na meron ka na may hint, meron ka maaninag na parang potential and opportunity na parang, okay, tama na pala. Kailangan ko itong bitawan at pumunta na ako doon kasi mas maganda ang sweldo, mas maganda ang opportunity, mas maganda ang makakasama ko doon. There will be an opportunity for you to love there kung sa mga cancer na love ang iniisip o kaya a bigger and better life out there na wala sa past mo and now you are ready to conquer and accept this new opportunity. Wow, Cancer, that is your May 5 to 11 reading. Sa po kayo nakarelate, sa po kayo nakaresonate, comment down below. And I'll be reading your messages. Thank you again for watching. This has been James for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.